A lot of you guys have commented about my riding gloves, which most of you have seen in almost every riding video on this channel. I'm using these gloves from the past 6-7 years and must have easily done 50,000 plus kilometers with them. I have previously shared my experience with my waterproof winter gloves and my modular helmet, but these gloves have got a story on how I got them. This particular gloves are the Cramster Blaster, and it's been so long I am using them that I had to search on the web to remind myself of the model name. So about 6-7 years back, a month before I got these gloves, I had purchased a different riding gloves from another premium riding gear manufacturer. The fitting was perfect, but within a month, the stitching on the fingers came off, exposing my middle, index and thumb finger joint. They said it was a physical damage, so no replacement can be offered. Long story short, Cramster was offering these gloves at a discount, so I got them, and it was a kind of impulsive purchase as I had ride plans ahead. Coming to these gloves, they have served me really well with all the abuse. These are semi-gauntlet type gloves, so they try to cover your wrist, and the thumb has got an extension with an added protection. Speaking of protection, it has got a regular ABS knuckle protection which has got air vents, and it is something which works and you can feel the air entering above speeds of 40 km per hour. The finger joints have also got protection, including your pinky finger and thumb. You will find silicone patches on the palm area and they are still trying to hold well on the gloves. Coming to the quality, the stitching is definitely good and I don't see any leather tearing apart. The color has surely faded with all the use, but you won't see any deep cracks exposing my skin beneath. Cramster has done a good job here with all the perforations and ventilations, which should make it clear that this is a typical summer use gloves and will make your ride comfortable during summers. I won't suggest using these gloves in sub-0 degrees Celsius riding situations, as these gloves are not designed for winter use. Similarly, leather and water don't go well together, so these are not meant for riding in the rains. However, I have faced some unavoidable occasions where I have used these gloves for riding in the rain. They have taken the beating well. Of course, it's not waterproof and it's not recommended to take leather gloves for a ride in the rain. Coming to comfort, leather gloves usually take around a week or two of riding to settle in shape. These are pre-curved, so accelerator and brakes feel natural and easy to use with the gloves put on. The gloves have got a stitched soft inner liner which makes wearing them on long rides comfortable. I wish it had a clip for jacket attachment, plus you will find no reflective patches on these gloves. Well, these are not must-have features, but I do have some expectations from my next pair of gloves. So this was my long-term experience with the Cramster Blaster gloves, and when I checked online, I found they have got a new version of these gloves and I hope they have kept the same quality and reliability factor in them. So that's it for this video. I hope you have liked it and don't forget to share your experience with your riding gloves in the comment section.